Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Tom is from England. He lives in Germany now. Tom is learning German. German is a difficult language. Today Tom goes to a bakery. He wants to buy some bread. The bakery is busy today. Many people are waiting. Tom waits in line. He practices what to say. Now it is his turn. The baker smiles at him. "Good morning. What would you like?" she asks. Tom takes a deep breath. He wants to say 2 bread rolls, but he makes a mistake. 2 bottles, please, he says. The baker looks confused. "Bottles? We don't sell bottles here," she says. Tom's face turns red. He is very embarrassed. "Sorry, I mean bread rolls," he says slowly. The baker laughs kindly. "No problem. German is hard," she says. She gives him 2 fresh bread rolls. "That is €1.50, she says. Tom pays and says thank you. He walks out of the bakery. Tom smiles to himself. Making mistakes is part of learning. Tomorrow he will try again, and maybe he will learn a new word.
Learn with LingoStories.app.